So I'm asking to CHAT GPT, what is aerodynamic center? Aerodynamic center. Let's see. The aerodynamic center AC is a point on the aircraft or airfoil where the pitching moment coefficient is constant regardless of angle of attack. In other words, if the lifting force is applied to the aerodynamic center, the aircraft or the airfoil will rotate around the point, but the angle of attack will not change. The point is important for the aircraft stability and control, as it allows for predictable changes in the lift drag with changes in angle of attack. The location of aerodynamic center can vary depending on the shape and size of the airfoil and can be found through wind tunnel testing and computational fluid dynamics simulation. Actually, this definition what you are saying, this is not the definition exact what I teach in my GATE classes. There is a lot more, so you can find the link. You can just type on the YouTube that aerodynamic center concept library, then you will come to know the exact meaning, what is the meaning of aerodynamic center.